BOLEFIL self-cleaning filters feature fully continuous operation and a high degree of automation, delivering reliable and efficient filtration performance. Designed for demanding industrial environments, they are widely used in food and beverage, chemical processing, and seawater applications, helping customers reduce downtime, minimize maintenance, and optimize operating costs. The system is built around a robust and intelligent design, featuring key components such as heavy-duty filter housing, high-precision wedge-wire screen basket, advanced cleaning mechanism, differential pressure monitoring system, motor and gearbox drive unit, pneumatic drain valve, and an integrated electrical control cabinet, ensuring stable operation, efficient self-cleaning, and long service life. During filtration, the fluid containing impurities enters the system through the inlet and flows into the wedge-wire screen basket. Filtration is performed from the inside to the outside, allowing clean filtrate to pass through the screen and discharge from the outlet, seamlessly feeding the next stage of the process. The wedge-wire screen basket is the key component responsible for filtration performance. By effectively retaining large solid particles inside the basket, it forms a stable impurity layer that enhances overall filtration efficiency. With filtration accuracy of up to 50 microns, the wedge-wire screen basket is available in multiple grades to meet the diverse application requirements of different customers. As impurities gradually accumulate inside the wedge-wire screen basket, a stable filtration layer is formed. With the continuous buildup of this impurity layer, the filtration efficiency is further enhanced, ensuring consistent performance and reliable separation under continuous operation. As the impurity layer builds up, the differential pressure between the inlet and outlet gradually increases. At set pressure difference or set time, the system automatically initiates the cleaning cycle, ensuring uninterrupted operation and stable filtration performance. The differential pressure sensor continuously monitors system conditions and transmits real-time signals to the electrical control cabinet, enabling precise control and intelligent operation. The electrical control cabinet activates the motor and the drain valve, driving the cleaning mechanism to rotate. This action effectively removes the accumulated impurity layer from the wedge-wire screen basket, restoring filtration capacity and ensuring efficient, continuous operation. At the same time, the highly concentrated impurities are discharged through the drain valve, completing the self-cleaning process while maintaining uninterrupted system operation. BOLEFIL self-cleaning filters perform automatic cleaning without interrupting continuous filtration, while discharging only a minimal amount of wastewater. This helps customers reduce operating costs, conserve resources, and achieve long-term, efficient operation. To accommodate fluids with different viscosities and flow rates, we offer a comprehensive range of self-cleaning filters in multiple specifications, providing flexible solutions tailored to diverse application requirements. BOLEFIL, your filtration expert by your side.